Paul said a prayer that the God of peace would be reaching into the lives of those people. And that's my prayer for you. I pray that God, that anyone listening to this message will not only experience the peace of God, but will work and learn to express or reflect that peace to the world around us. See, we have a God of peace and a God of love, and that's the reason that we who worship, adore, and follow Him, who want to be like Him, are people who should live in love and peace. So we aim for restoration. We comfort one another. We live in peace. And the world will see that the Christian is someone who is known for love and peace. Is the word justified. So he starts out, justified by faith through Jesus Christ, we have peace with God. And Jesus drives those out because He is bringing peace. He's bringing harmony. He's bringing humanity of all the nations into contact and relationship with the kind and loving God. And He'll drive out whatever is in our hearts and lives that keeps us from that communion with God. So if you don't have peace, I urge you now just to ask God, Lord, please give me your peace. I look at peace as what we should strive to have both with God and with others. It should be a hallmark of the Christian life. But there are times where battle lines must be drawn. I just don't want that to be until the cause is clearly just, until it's a last resort, declared by a proper authority, with the right intentions, a reasonable chance of success, and an end proportional to the means. In that sense, you've got a just war. By the way, the last battle spoken of in the Bible is found in the book of Revelation, where Jesus comes back and declares war on all that is evil. And there you've got a just cause. And there it is, the last resort. He's waited till the end of time and the evil continues. He's certainly the proper authority with the right intention. Reasonable chance of success? Oh yeah, He will be successful. And the end will be eternity with evil being vanquished.